Welcome to our deep dive into the world of software maintenance in the age of AI. Can you imagine a future where software evolves on its own? Let's explore how AI is redefining the software industry landscape. The software industry is rapidly evolving, with AI becoming a central player. According to recent studies, the global AI market is projected to reach $190 billion by 2025. This growth is revolutionizing traditional software models. AI's impact on software models is profound. Case studies show companies like Microsoft using AI to reduce software bugs by 30%. These traditional models are being reshaped, leading to faster and more efficient maintenance processes. The economic implications are significant. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, businesses can allocate resources more efficiently. The market is shifting towards AI-driven solutions, and experts predict a 50% reduction in operational costs for companies that adopt AI. Looking ahead, the trends indicate that AI will continue to integrate deeper into software development. However, we must consider the ethical implications of AI in our daily lives, ensuring that we harness its power responsibly. In conclusion, while there are risks associated with AI's rise in software maintenance, the opportunities are vast. Embracing these changes can lead to more resilient software systems and innovative solutions for the future.